This is a 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Premium, and it's been exactly 2 months today since I purchased this machine new from the local dealership. And I recently had the service completed for the 25-hour service. And when I received it back, I noticed there's some rattling that was occurring in the rear of this machine. And today just flipped this bed up just to take a look to see if there's something loose here, and immediately noticed that this muffler tip is detached from the body. As you can see here, there's a clean break where it attaches here to the rear of this body, and unfortunately I don't see any way that this can be reattached, but I'm not sure. I did contact Polaris. They're very nice, very professional, and they told me that any warranty work needs to be completed through a local dealership. And first I need to take this machine in to have them look at it, and there's like a case number associated with this, and the local dealer will work with Polaris to determine whether this is covered by warranty or not, which I understand because they want to look at it to ensure that the user didn't do something to actually damage this. But I haven't done anything except redden this machine a little bit, and I haven't done anything underneath it here to even touch that tailpipe tip. So I'm not sure if this is a defect or just this particular unit. But I'm going to take it into the dealership today to drop it off. Probably will be, unfortunately, a multi-week wait time, but I'll see. And I'll come back and provide an update to this video regarding my experience working with Polaris, as well as the local dealership, and also how long it takes to complete the repair and what the actual repair is. So stay tuned. Let me know if you have any questions, and also if you've experienced a similar issue with your Polaris, please let me know, because I'm curious to know if this is some type of defect or not here. Thanks for joining.